Hi, I'm Courtney Bjorlin. I'm coming to you live from the show floor of Sapphire Now and ASUG Annual Conference, and I'm very excited to be joined by Beth Carlson of Entegris and the CEO of Panaya, Yossi Cohen. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you for hosting us.
Beth, could you tell us a little bit about Entegris, please?
Sure. Entegris is a manufacturer of critical products and materials in the high-tech industry. We're in cell phones, computers, things like that.
Great, thank you. And Yossi, could you tell us a little bit about Panaya, please?
Yes, Panaya is a software company that provides software as a service to help companies to reduce the total cost of ownership of running their business applications. Our vision and our mission is to reduce the investment companies are doing into mission critical IT activities, which are actually very labor intensive and provides not so much business value. And I think Beth here and her team are a terrific example of how this concept was used for the benefit of her enterprise. So maybe we'll hear from her about that.
Very good. Beth, let's hear about the project, please, and the products that you use to achieve all of these wonderful savings.
Right. We've got a great partnership with Panaya. We're using them for impact analysis. We use them for an upgrade from ECC 5 to ECC 6. And we've also used them for functional testing. And just recently, we've started to use them for incorporating new businesses into our fold. And so we've gone out and as we acquire businesses, we've been using them for that process as well, testing our configuration in the Panaya tool. So really using them for a broad breadth of functional testing and critical business testing.
That's fantastic. Can you give us a sense of some of the savings in labor you're achieving, or the savings in costs, or give us a sense of the ROI?
Yep, certainly. During our upgrade process, we saved 50% of our time testing. We were able to complete an analysis of what needed to get corrected, and those development items were completed ahead, and so our testing time was much reduced. We also did not need outsourced resources, so that we've really saved on our budget as well.
I've spoken to a few of your customers over the years, and they've been able to achieve such great cost savings through these particular projects. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're hearing from customers on the show floor about their needs now?
Yes, so obviously my interests are around my business lines, my lines of products. So we have two existing and a baby one which is about to be released, and actually Beth was kind of hinting to it. So the first line of product is upgrade. We are, I think, the standard de facto for how you should do an upgrade, and in the last 5 years we were involved in 2,000 such upgrades. And you can hear and feel the buzzing and humming around HANA these days. And that means that customers that will need to go to HANA will have to go through an upgrade. And we're very excited to be there for them. So this is something that was really great to hear. The second thing is that we've been talking with dozens of customers in the last couple of days all over the place. And the second line of product that we have is testing. Now, this kind of a disruptive approach to how you do testing. The existing approaches are either manual or automatic, in which you develop software to test your software. And both are very difficult to practice. And maybe Beth will be able to tell more about how amazing achievements she was able to get with Panaya. But we feel very encouraged from the way the customers are looking at this new innovative way of doing testing. They're struggling in their mission critical projects, which are becoming more and more focused on existing systems and not on innovation, and looking for a way to unleash the resources from the ongoing investments to innovation. So here we feel very encouraged as well. And the third one is that all the business activity in the world kind of bring on more and more companies under a single umbrella, this M&As, and then one needs to consolidate the way the business is being done, and this is called rollout. The same you have a single business process which has different instances in different countries or different factories or different subsidiaries you have. And in a way, Beth was a pioneer in kind of taking Panaya and implementing it for rollout. We learned from her and kind of elaborated around that. We understood from her what is missing, and we are kind of following her vision. And together we build a very nice mutual vision. This is a product that we are about to release soon, and almost every customer that we've been talking, which is large enough and have a global operation or a significant amount of revenue, it comes from different parts of the organization, and then you see this rollout thing. And we believe that we can save there the same level of saving that we showed in upgrades and testing, which is about 50 to 80% of cost of project.
Beth, I was going to ask about what software you're rolling out, why you're using that particular project.
Right. In our particular case, the rollout is more of an acquisition rollout in your terms, so that we've actually had an opportunity to include more end users in that process. Typically, we'd go to the new business unit and simply hand them SAP and train them on it. Now they're kind of part of the process instead of just receiving the SAP system. So it's been a joy to be able to actually incorporate those employees in that process so that it's not such a shock to them when they get a big new SAP system. So the same was true with our upgrade as well. We had many more people that we were able to involve in that process because of the tool being so easy to use at the end user level as well as the developer and the BA level.